Everyone, welcome back to AmourFabriQues. I got a table full of goodies here, which I'm trying to center for you guys. I'm trying to get it all in one spot. I have so much beautiful things here for you guys. I just want to introduce you guys the newest item I just put into the shop. I had a huge Vintage Wallpaper Floral Garden haul. It's been quite some time, but I've held this stash. But I finally just got a chance to get around to it, and I wanted to provide that for you guys in my shop. So this is a large pack. This pack is over 30 pieces, and as you're going to see here in a minute, I'm going to show you each and every piece. It is rather big. Most of them are borders, as you can see here. I'm going to show them to you. Each one of them are 11 inches in length. Width can vary. I can measure them as I go along, but down below is a direct link to this. You get 30 pack here, which is amazing. Like I said, a lot of pieces for only $18 in the shop right now. Now, five of them, which I'm going to show you here at the end, are very large pieces. I had larger rolls of wallpaper. That's here in the back. I'll show you. Those there are 18 by 12 inches cuts. Some of them a little bit larger. I just had a mass quantity of them. Those are really awesome to see as well. So 30 pieces, guys, of beautiful. Of course, I added some extras in each pack. That's why I said 30 plus. But let's go ahead and dive right in. Again, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you like the content that I'm showing you. But I'm going to dig right in to show you guys. Look at this piece here. I kind of folded it in half to show you. What you see is what you'll get. Each pack will have the same thing. This here is definitely a size of a journal. I imagine if you line this, it will be an amazing piece for whatever you do. It doesn't matter which side it is. It's going to be gorgeous. But that is gorgeous, isn't it? Come on now. That is piece number one, guys, of 30. You can't beat that. I thought about contemplating going ahead and start kits with this, and I thought, well, Salena, your time is precious. I really don't have the time. So I figured if I can give you guys a big mass quantity of what you see here, you guys have plenty to work with. I know there's so many things you guys can do with these things. There's one piece, guys. Look at this one here. Look at that. Come on, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? This here says Pansy, Narcissus, Rosa. I can't really read the other one. I didn't have my glasses on, but isn't that just gorgeous? Come on now. And I just love the scallops of it. I've seen where people have also created cards, tabs. I've seen, gosh, guys, so much to work with. Again, they're all 11 inches in length. The, like I said before, is the width are all vary. Now they're all going to pop up. Trying to keep these things flat after getting them out of a roll is quite fun and kind of comical. Really. I'm hoping if you guys watch this video, I've already had a live. Tonight I'm going live, so when you see this video, it's going to be after the effect. But during that live, I'll have tonight, you guys can look for the live video, but I'm going to be cutting these and getting them ready for packs as I'm talking to you guys. Oh, what's with my lighting? I'm adjusting my lighting. There we go. Man, that was bright and glary. That was my main goal. There we go. I hope that's a little better. The other one was just, whoo, right in my face. I'm telling you, there's so many. Look at that. None of these are peel and stick. These are all the, wet and glue type of thing. So I've seen where journalers have created different types of folio type things where they do the string and the two buttons. So many cool ideas. I'm sure you guys are going to create a lot of beautiful things with them. Look at this one. Talk about roses. This one's like embossed. It's really neat. I don't know if the camera can really show that. I think this is Lauren Ashley or something. I'm not sure. Here we go. Definitely got the 80s going on here. But again, okay, guys, you create a journal. Do you want a blue one or you want a pink one? Choice is up to you. Definitely cool. And this piece here. Again, the shop link is down below. I thought would be really cool for this is if you not only cut this out, plus you cut it, you could probably even do the corners of it with some ink, and you could probably Mod Podge this on a cover, a hardback cover, for a cover of a journal. That's what I was thinking. This one I folded just to give you an idea. When you do get yours, it will not be folded. See how I did this? Just want to give you an idea. You know what you can do. When you get it, it will be flat. Here, it's upside down. working on my camera lighting, guys. It's getting it all set up with the new shop. I'm trying to get it all going, so I apologize for the lighting. I'm learning as I go here with the new lighting, new room and everything. So how pretty is that, right? And let's see here, definitely we got 80s on this one, but the colors almost looks watercolorish. If you can kind of see. Man, my lighting. There we go. Look at this, guys. Look at this one. That kind of matches that one really well. Look at that large piece. Again, this is another one that you can definitely do a signature. Part is this a signature, or just make your little opening. I've seen so many cute ideas. It's giving me some ideas, and I don't have time for ideas. Either way, it's this cute one. All right, now we're getting a bunch more here. That lovely. What's this one here? There's another scalloped. This one's part of the same family, but it's a little bit lighter in color. So you can see here the difference between the two. Let me see if I can show you. One's darker, one's a little bit lighter. Isn't that pretty? Then you get this large one. Birds. This pretty guy. I do have more here that I didn't have in the picture. Whew, I'm going to have to put something heavy on this. I just cut these, so they're doing their own thing. Here's some I didn't have in my display, so that go in there as well. With the paisleys, and they're gorgeous. Here's the other one. Throw these in here. These go in the same pack, but I didn't add them to it. This one is really cool. Look how country it is. It's called Forget Me Not Daisy Buttercup Forget Me Not. Again, it's another one of those that I definitely need to cut pieces out of it or create your own little journal again. That's just pretty. Forget Me Not. Isn't that pretty? You can see that without glare on that camera. All right, and this one's like some seashells. Look here, we got some strawberries. Look how delicate that is. All right, the larger pieces are coming up here soon. This one's got some purple. Look at that. Like morning glories. All right, the larger pieces. Wait till you guys see these. These, I mean, they were huge. Look at that. Okay, guys, only $18. This is crazy good price. This one here, I don't know if I can show you guys. It is totally gorgeous. It's got this purple, and then if you can see, if you tilt it, you can see the gold accents. It'll be flat when you get it, guys. For sure. That's just gorgeous. There. Big long pieces. Look at this big long piece too. Just gonna, when you get these ones, they'll be folded in half, but look at all the stuff you guys get. You can cut that out. You can, there's plenty to work with. There's this one. Oh man, we're getting there. Here's this one. Now my camera's really gonna do its thing. So I think it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really large ones. And I gotta lay that flat. I cut this pack just for you guys, just to see. All right, I'm gonna go in reverse. And if you feel like you want to grab yours, I think I only have, I think I had 15 or 16 packs available. I'm sure I probably might have more, but right now I know I have at least 15. Show you guys as I go back. I'm gonna go backwards. I gotta lay something flat on these anyways. Just Paisley. I'm sure I'm missing maybe 1 or 2 in this pack I'm showing you, but at least I have it somewhat ready to show you. Gorgeous, right? Again, I need to lay them all flat. So again, tonight's live, which when you guys see this video, I've already done the live. So if you want to go check out the videos I have in the shop under live, you'll see the video. But my goal is to cut and package these while I'm doing live. You can see more as we chat, kind of thing. Gorgeous. My favorite, I absolutely love the cottage chic ones. This is really cool. I can totally see a lot of people doing something with that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just absolutely gorgeous. Ooh. That one's pretty. Here's one I really love. I just love that embossed feeling too. That's what I love. I love the delicate, dainty, tiny flowers. The soft tones. Isn't that pretty? All these ones here I'm in love with the most. I'm not a huge fan of the darker, say, 90s. It almost reminds me of Trent's fabric, if anyone's familiar with Trent's fabric is. But look at all these beautiful borders, especially this one. Look at that. So elegant. And this here, to top it off, is just absolutely beautiful, right? So many options, guys, with this. I can't wait to see what you guys create. Down below is a direct link to the shop to grab this pack. Again, only $18, guys. Grab it while you can before they all run out. You guys have a good one. Bye.